Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to share a file that I created on my Cricut. I did this rabbit cutout, and it would be great for any type of sequin mix, anything that you want to do for Easter for sequin mix or something like that. When you put it together, before you glue the envelope together, place a piece of the clear film that you use for shakers. Place that on here and glue it down, and then you will be able to use it like a shaker seed packet type of envelope. But anyway, I did the cutout of the rabbit. All I did was slice it out of the little envelope, and I will share the file on my YouTube video in the comment and description section. Let me know if you have any questions. I do plan on making more of these in different shapes. If you have a shape that you would like to see, please let me know, or if you want the bunny smaller, I can do that as well. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. I hope you enjoy, and I would love to see what you make with it. I did put a piece of coordinating cardstock in it just so you could see the rabbit shape, the bunny shape. Anyway, if there's anything you want me to create or design for you, please let me know, and I will design it and put up a little video about it. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions. Take care. Have a great night. Bye.